Kuphi emakhaya amadolobheni asekomplasta khona sawubona ke mbukele sakomukela futhi elihleleni lakho ilungelo lakho. It's your right, your leading consumer affairs TV show right here on SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. Mbukele, so many consumers only take an interest in their pension matters at the very last minute when they have to retire. Sebesikhathi sesihambile ke ukuthi umuntu atfole ukuthi kunedinkinga thide lebe kumele ukuthi atisombulule kusenesikhathi. So today we bring you pension matters with the Government Employees Pension Fund again. Asizingene endzabeni yethu ke sesive ukuthi yini lekumele ukwadi ngakho konke letawuthinza impenssion yakho. Manje khuluma kabanti ngendzaba yethu asesimukele ke Phumzile Mda yena ke ukhulumela iGovernment Pensions Administration Agency EGPAA. Thank you so much for joining us baba. Sawubona ehleleni sawubona.
Thank you Nkosi.
Siyabonga kakhulu baba. Njengoba besengichazile ke phambilini ukuthi ke namhla sitawukhuluma ngema unclaimed benefits. Kuthi ke iGEPF yakhala ngekuthi ke sekunema cases lamanengi of ema benefits langakaclainywa ke noma ke langakalandwa ke ngalokusemthethweni. Sichazele ukuthi ke kubangelwa yini lokho?
Yo, yazi abantu abaningi abazazi babanemali se-GEPF. And these cases these cases are death cases. Apho kusweleka umuntu, kushiyeka abantwana inkosikazi and other beneficiaries. Azazi into abakhuluma se-GEPF. That's the first thing. Eyesibini yoba even noba sebesazi i-process yokuklima abayazi kahle. Akazazi umuntu bangathini. Seyivile ngoba kwimali phaje bakazi bangathini. That's the second thing. Yesithathu into ba kuvela kube kwingxabano kwi-families bakusweleka umuntu. Kulo uthi hayi le mali yami, hayi le mali yami, kuvela izixinga izinto idimali engaclainywa ngoku. So zezinto eziningi ezibangela abantu bangaclaim. And esine yoba isikakhulu abantwana abancinci abantu abadala bashiyekileyo ngoba abantwana kufanele bakhule uthi masibalini abantu bakhule bazoqinisa badala. And ke whilst they're entitled to mali zabo ngosebencinci benjalo i-parents zabo zibashiyele imali bakhuliswe ngazo mali unfortunately. For education i-parents bashiyele imali into ba kubhatalwe izikolo, i-parents bashiyele imali including ne-medical aid, imali khona yabantwana. Abantu because bengayazi izinto avele bahlale phansi bangaphakamisa.
Asasibuyele ke kule example wendile that of death ukuthi ke nangabe lilunga noma ke imember yaleyo pension fund yashona, ingabe i-ID number doesn't it serve as as a link to onke lama assets that deceased has left behind? Ukuthi ke nangiphantsha i-ID number itangitshela ke ukuthi nginemali etsite ebhange, nginemali etsite pension fund, nginemali etsite SABC pension fund. Isn't that the case?
Yeah,
or shouldn't it be the case though?
I hope there was that database and ngayibona database injalo afuna uvelify i-ID number yakho ivele kunike yonke into angayibona. I hope there was. So ngokufuna ukuthi ufuna ukuyazi ba kukho imali ku-insurance, kukho imali se-GEPF, kukho imali e-PAP wena ngokwakho and uzileqa zonto. I hope there was a database where you can punch your ID and then everything comes out. So bantwana bakwazi ukuclaim imali. Unfortunately, anjanga ndayibona into enjalo. Babikhona.
It will make things easier.
Everything will be easier. Bibikhona ngiqinisekile. Ngelishwa anjanga ndayibona ngelishwa tu.
No man, let's just hope our authorities are looking into that.
I hope so.
But I mean, just considering Gutsige, there's an increased number of unclaimed benefits. And speaking of such, chazele kabantu ukuthi yini kumehluko emkhathini kwa unclaimed benefits and unpaid benefits? Ukhona umehluko lapho?
Yeah, you see, as benefits have not been paid. That's the bottom line. All of them have not been paid. But the difference is the timing, the time these benefits have not been paid. In terms of GEPF policies, once it pay late 24 months, it benefiting a clean it benefiting a badolanga, then it becomes an unclaimed benefit. Anything before that is unpaid.
Oh, okay.
It's unpaid. So bangaba it's
but are there any implications for either?
Yeah, you see, the unclaimed one is difficult to trace because I want to say pay 20 lead.
Yeah.
I want to say everything has changed. But the unpaid is much easier because it's essential. Between these two. Other than that, it's the same thing. It's benefits not claimed. It's just that
What then happens nangabe kuphela nje iminyaka, we're talking of 20 plus years la, nangabe banikati bama benefits noma ke ma beneficiaries alawo ma benefits ababuyi batoclaim?
No, trustees have said to us, igcinele imali, funana abantu, igcinele imali, nithi nibafumane. Ubani bafumane izamande nibafumane abantu, bakhona mos fanele bafumane. So senza kanjalo siyabaleqa abantu every day, sibufuna every day. And ngelishwa lethu abantu abasikholelwa uba le mali yabo abasikholelwa bacinga uba siyabaqedisa.
Ukhona umuntu ongeke akholwe ukuthi unemali?
Abasikholwa tu. Siyabaleqa.
How do you convince them?
Ndikhumbula yazi a simple example just 2 weeks ago, umama simleqa for 12 months. Simxela basada sayana kwakhe engasikholelwa. Sathi iya eGBF offices ubosikholelwa. Wathi hayi scammers.
How?
Uzofika only 2 weeks back. Athi ngicela uxolo.
How?
And uthi the reason why ngoku sensazi umprofeti ongapha ecaweni I've forgotten the cawe, umprofeti othe imali yakho se-GPF yakho.
Umprofeti na unikwe ngibale information.
Andimazi uzenza. Uthi uvenge umprofeti ecaweni. That's fine, we happy.
Hayi siyambongela ukuthi ugcina etholile le.
Simphathele.
And then interest again, does it accumulate interest?
It does accumulate interest. Interest does accumulate until uduze. Awuza sakunika imali yakho plus ne-interest. And interest is quite handsome interest, definitely.
Okay. And then there's issues regarding divorce and labor matters or labor cases. There's those still in the labor court. Maybe how do you navigate around those?
Yeah, you see, as if you look at these cases in labor court, abantu intention is not to claim their money because basalwa. Then in that case as gcinezo silinde idele case yakho igqibe once iphele ke then you'll come back to us ke then sukusinika imali yakho, but in the process siyakufonela sokubuza uba iphi ngoku umanquphi ngoku le mali ayifuna because nguwe ongayifuni imali yakho, you're entitled to it. Abanye bavele bathi whilst the case is still on, athi ndike imali yami, simnike imali yakhe immediately. We keep in touch with these people abakwenansika kwi-labor court. Uyayifuna imali yakho, keep in touch until that case iphelile ngoku ndiluzile or ndiwinile ndike imali yami, sibanike imali yami plus interest.
What about the divorce again? Do you wait until the finalization of the
divorce?
That's
correct. Until it was finalized. Until sometimes the divorce abantu bavele ba reconcile but no asahlukani ngoku. So okay, you're right. Imali ke then ke siyibuyisele back kwenansi fund.
And then pension fund ke yadingani ukuthi lama member lawa they are going through a divorce?
No, omnye wabo will come azoclaim athi athi ndifuna imali yami. And then sifuna nje okay sinikeze i-divorce settlement in this situation ingaphumi asixela ba it's a court at this and that. Remember in a divorce there are two people, omnye ucala kwakicala omnye ufuna imali yakhe ngoku. So then in that case omnye athi no i-divorce isaqhubeka, omnye athi andifuna imali yami ngoku. No, we'll wait until there's a divorce settlement. And the divorce settlement mayitsho into basukunike what percentage wena simnike what percentage yena then ke before that we don't pay.
Okay, asishiye lapho ke. Sibambe lapho futhi ke bekunene sizeshela ngasetitolo uhlala kanye nathi ningasanyakadi leli ilungelo lakho. Siyabuya khona manje. Sikomukela futhi mbukela tincingo tethu sesivuliwe manje ukuthi ke nawe ungaba ingcenye enkulumo yethu namhla ungasishaya icingo khona manje ku 011-714-0671 noma ke 011-714-0672. Ungasithumela futhi na WhatsApp ku 060-844-9857. You can also email your thoughts and even topic suggestions to consumer@sabc.co.za or interact with us on Facebook. Remember, kukhumbule ke mbukela ukuthi lolu hlelo lwakho lelo njengoba sikhuluma ngamalungelo abani emalungelo akho. So namhla ke sikhuluma ke kuma unclaimed benefits nangabe ke kukhona ke impension noma ke imali thide letingakaclainywa e government employees pension fund. Ukhona ke ke babemphumzile Mdawuda sichazela kabanti ukuthi yintaba iGEPF letithethe kulandzelela ukuthi ke labo labangakaclaim ama benefits baphinza bawaclaim nawo onke ke ema beneficiaries abo. Asasikhuluma kabanti ukuthi ke the untraceable beneficiaries due to incorrect contact details or information not being updated. Kuthi ke nisebenta kanjani leyo?
You know, siqeshe around about 36 tracing agents all over the country.
Yeah.
Each and every province has got around about 4 tracing agents. Intention is to be closer to the communities and work with communities. So, and they're able to approach Nansiga in Nkosi and work with the communities in terms of months, but communities must ziyabazi abantu.
Yes.
So with that, abantu baqeshile back with communities, fumana assistance, abantu besingabafumani bathi bafumaneke. There's a lot we do in the communities, definitely. Sebenza neNkosi, sisebenzisana neNansika community development workers, which is CDWs, so that because CDWs they are within the communities. Ziyabazi abantu. So sithi kubo sincedeni sifuna ubani apha kule community, please basincedisa. So there's a lot we do with the communities, definitely.
Okay.
Communities, definitely.
Kulabo ke utfola ukuthi ke emalunga ale pension fund aswelekile noma ke ashonile and kulala bakhona abekho ku list kuma list of beneficiaries. Lapho ke nitsini lapho nangabe ke sekuqhamuka maybe banifana bemufi noma ke banifana belunga labangaphandle leka batfola ngaphandle naye lengazange ababhala as ama beneficiaries.
Yeah, inobunzima yele kuba indawo oqala ubungumntana wangaphandle ufumana surname is not the same notatakho. So you can put a claim and it requires a lot of investigations including DNA testing. And once that investigation is done, trustees will decide whether we must get this money or get a share or not. So,
okay.
But it's a trustee's decision on that one.
Okay. But what is it do you look at?
You know, kufuneka beke evidence about nguye nyani.
Okay.
Ndawuqala and inzima ke lonto le because kufuneka uvele ne DNA testing a lot of things. Ufumanisa ba xa ngumntana wangaphandle i-structure eshiwe ngumyeni ongumama like inkosikazi nabantwana abakwazi. So uyavela ngoku ne-story esitsha bazosiphikisa ndawuqala. So there's a lot of investigation being done on that and you need to prove yourself ba hayi nam ndinguye lo. So once you prove, trustees will sit down and look at the evidence and decide.
Okay.
Make a decision whether you must be paid, get a share or not.
All right. And there's also issues of seized contributions without an indication whether or not a member has exited the fund or not. Lapho ke niyithini leyo?
Iyenzeka lonto le into ba umuntu avela anga-contribute avela hlala, you know, for whatever reason i-contributions zakhe zingazi kuthi. Once kuphela 3 months thina siyasicinga into ba uphumile nansikeni kurhulumente awusaqeshwanga, then siqalisa we engage government sithi abantu bakule list according to our laws as GEPF sicinga baphumile basekuni na bangaba basekuni please sinikeni i-contribution babekho kuni please submitani claims zabo so that soka babhatala. So that's the process engaged kuyo. Once umuntu angabhatala i-contribution siqala si-engage ba lo muntu sasebenzela nina na but sinikeni i-contribution so that sokwazi kumqhuba uba ngaba akasezemzili nina but submitani claims sombhatala kaloku mayilakhe be-pension zakhe zibe kuyo. That's the process engaged kuyo when it comes to i-contribution esingabhatalwayo.
Nakukhulunywa nge-submit ama-claim sikhuluma ngani yini le kumele ukuthi bayisubmite?
There's a lot of things. Remember izinto basubmita kwi-employer not good. Ikhona i-claim form esubmitwa where you complete into yoba ufuna le mali yakho ibe njani, ufuna ibe i-retirement, ufuna ibe resignation, ufuna i-transfer to a fund, ufuna cash. That's the claim form. If ufuna i-transfer to a fund, you need usiqale ile fund bayiphi le fund and usinike ne-bank details le fund. Usifuna izwe kuwe cash ufuna usinike nansi-ke i-banking details zakho so sokwazi basibhadele kuwe cash.
Okay.
Zii-forms as submitted, but mainly claim form which tells us bawufuna kanjani ngepension yakho
Okay.
claim yakho yawo.
Lomunye umbuto lomkhulu ukuthi ingabe ama unclaimed benefits ayawulandzela yini umthetho wema pension laws la eSouth Africa ngoba siyathi ke one of the pension laws ukuthi umuntu nasafika ku retirement age uthola a third and then the rest ayitfole ke kancane for for the rest of their life ukuthi ke ingabe I pension unclaimed benefit nangabe the GEPF has satisfied itself ukuthi lona vele is the actual beneficiary of that particular asset lokho kusebenza kanje nemnika le lump sum yini noma nilandzela vele limithetho ema pension.
Remember, umuntu retireshile uyayifumana lump sum which is 1/3. That's the GEPF laws, 1/3. And secondly, ayifumane annuity until you die. It's the GEPF laws. Okay, but unclaimed benefits comes in xa ungakhange wayifumana yonke le mali okanye any part of this money. Then get iswa unclaimed benefits. But you're still entitled to that process. As ufumana, said okay, zange ifumane I-gratuity yakho, nansi. Annuity yakho akayifumane, nansi. Siqhubeke sikubhatale as unclaimed benefits. Le mali overdue to you.
Nakhona kuba same process ukuthi uthola I-third in lump sum and then the rest ke for okay.
Correct. It's the same entitlement you had on your pension, but now your money ihleli unclaimed benefits. We just process that in the normal processing flow and then you get your money. Your entitlement doesn't change.
Okay.
Doesn't change.
All right, thank you so much for making that clarification. Asikhuluma past discriminatory pensions benefit and how many of those have you managed to resolve during the period under review?
Yeah, you see, we paid almost 100 million in that because even the last year we're sitting just below 500 million rand. Now we're just above 300, just close to 400. We paid so far almost 100 million rand on the PDP.
Oh, okay.
But abantu siyabafumana be-PDP and siyabhatala and
Yini the PDP kahle kahle?
le PDP urhulumente kudala probably 4 or 5 years ago, it could be 6 years ago, I'm not certain, decided to compensate abantu ababe discriminative a long time ago during apartheid days in pension matters. So abantu baqokelelwa ke ba-apply abantu yenziwa lonto le bawugqiba bafunyanwa uba yimalini umuntu what entitled by is it 100 rand or whatever so lo list yaphuma yonke uba lo ubani 1,000 rand lo yi-10,000 rand that so after 2 years because remember unclaimed benefits 2 years ungambhatalanga umuntu.
Yes.
After 2 years yonke laa mali yajula ku-unclaimed benefits basifuna abantu thina.
Okay.
Sabaleqa thina abantu thina siyabhatala most of them sebasweleka.
All right.
Kodwa ke sivele sifuna inantsika i-next of kins and i-relatives zabo beneficiaries zabo bazokwazi uklema loo mali esibanike. So far we're sitting at around about 500 rand last year. We're just above 300
Okay.
as we speak.
All right, asishiye lapho ke let's now take our first caller. Sinathenjiwe ulapha ke Western Cape sakumola ehleleni sawubona.
Sawubona.
Siyaphila kunjani mama?
Sikhona njani?
Khuluma nathi mama. What's on your mind?
Sorry.
Khuluma nathi baba.
Ya bendiqonda kodwa ngicinga lento ye topic ngithetha ngayo. Njengoba bendishilo ku-message yami utata wami wayesebenza ku-public works. Then ke ngokuzange ngizange kwa-claim because mama mzange afumane ukuzoyiclaim and mama musaphile abethathe traditional.
Okay, ngathi sinebula ukukhuni ke kukuva kahle but thank you so much for your call mama. We do appreciate your time. All right, Thenjiwe sitayizama ukuyidingisa indzaba yakhe ke emva kwaleli khefu. For now, let's pause right there and take another commercial break. Hlala kanyana simbukele siyabuya khona nyalo. Leli lungelo lakho. Welcome back, everybody. The numbers to call right now are 011-714-0671 and 011-714-0672. These are participation lines. They're on your screens right now. Ungashayela icingo khona manje lapha e-studio kuba ingcenye yelihlelo lethu. Ungasithumela futhi ne-WhatsApp ku-060-844-9857. You can also email your thoughts to consumer@sabc.co.za or like our Facebook page. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, before i-break, besinathenjiwe ke ulapha e-Western Cape. Ungamchazela kabantu ngengila yakhe ukuthi ukhala ngani?
Thethiwe indlela endiyivayo imeko yakho yoba emveni kuba kusweleke utata akho claim niyifakileyo. And there's the first thing you should have done, Tenji, yoba utata nimclaimele funeral benefit. That's number one. So azokwazi ungcwabeka. I-GPF iyayibhatala funeral benefit. That's number one. The second thing which is clear, Tenji, is that umama usaphila. Umama is entitled to a spouse pension, which is the annuity on a monthly basis until she dies. Umama herself. Okay. So, thirdly, depending on whether utata besasebenza okanye besekudala wa pension, and I'm more than 5 years on pension. Yeah. Besasebenza utata, there's as well gratuity, which beneficiaries in terms of the nomination form are entitled to. So, andazi Tenji wena umuntu besasebenza na kanye bengasasebenzi. But kodwa ke the easiest thing for wena Tenji usekapa sine office yethu pha eKapa ndlibele nje ba ikweyifinance ka ibuilding. Vele uvakashele option seKapa ubaqala ingxaki yakho xa ndijongile nje kule meko ndixele wona it looks like there's money for the family. Okay.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu ke kulelo hlangothi. And yini ke ma beneficiaries langakwenda kusita noma ke ku-assista i-GEPF towards the process yokuclaim ama benefits?
I think as indlela lula nje so to avoid the confusion and all of these things, we beneficiary, it's just to visit the office at GEPF wherever you are. Right. And uchaze nje ingxaki yakho. They will take you on and assist you in terms of what are you entitled to, how to process your claim, what documents are required. Nditholenda kuba i-claims are different. Omnye umuntu uzofuna i-claim ye-death case. Omnye umuntu uzofuna i-claim yena i-retirement. Omnye it's just a beneficiary. There's so many benefits and they differ in terms of claim forms you have to submit, unfortunately. So it's easier if you are at GEPF offices. As kuzo zonke province yonke, not even a single province hasn't got a GEPF office. All of them have. Kazi ngxaki yakho, they will tell you you're entitled to this, you're entitled to this, and give you forms and guide you, literally. Right, right. That's our job in actual fact.
Now, kuluma claim forms. I see there's different kinds or different types of claim forms, correct, but key of each is EWP 1002 form.
That one is a nomination form. It helps you. That's why Sister Bantwin, gogusaphila, gogusasebenzayo, ishari yakho, employer yakho, ufilishe nomination form. Apo chazayo indoba, in case something wrong happens to me, imali yam ndifuna kulo naklo, and nazi numbers the contact details zabantu, nazi ndifuna percentage ihambe kanje, mnike lo 50%, nika lo 30, nika 20, and so that the day usweleka sifonela abantu qathina. Uyishili will yakho GEPF, your pension yakho. Sisebenza la will yakho pension. So it's important that umuntu wonke osebenzayo government aqiniseke ba la nomination form yakho ifilishly completely properly and it's been submitted to GEPF, so that that's your will in terms of your pensions.
Hey, why it seems like inzaba ye will. Kuthe yini umehluko emkhathini kwe will ne nomination form? Ngoba phela kuyenteka ukuthi I nomination form does not speak to the will.
Yes, correct.
Ayahluka vele.
That's correct. Yeah. Tina sebenza nomination form tina. That's what we call it, your will to us. Uba unenye will ecaleni, lo will yakho idilisa nezinye assets zakho, not a pension. Tina will yakho in pensions, in nomination form. Okay. Nomination form.
No, njengoba bengishilo ke babamda ukuthi uthole ukuthi nomination form ayikhulumisani ne will. Nangabe ke ma beneficiaries ayayi contesta ke I nomination form athi ke no ku will mine ngi beneficiary ngikhona ku-will but ku-nomination form angikho. Which one is more stronger than the other? Which one supersedes the other?
Nomination form ke-pensions. La will, remember ndithi, la will le yakho uyenze ecaleni.
No, sengikhulumela in cases where ku-will uyasho ukuthi nginemali letsite e-GEPF. But ku-nomination angikho.
Sisebenza nomination form.
Sisebenza nomination form.
Kuphela.
Okay.
Kuphela.
Okay. Short when it comes to pension matters,
Yes.
any other, it doesn't matter. Any other, noma i-will, noma any other document ayisebenzi.
It doesn't matter. Kodwa ke ubunesikhalazo masithi mhlambe kuswelekele ngutata akho and ku-nomination form awukho wena bakhuphile wena. Ungakhala uthi hayi ngutata lo and put your claim and trustees will decide. We look at the case and decide.
Oh, okay.
It's a trustees matter. It's not your private wills matter. No, it's a trustees.
Right,
Trustees will look at the evidence and look at the situation and make a call.
Right. Manje, yeah, and now back to the issue. Okay, so chazela kabanti ke ukuthi ke no i-will ayisebenzi when it comes to pension matters. Ku-nomination, nangabe ke bekanesithembu. He was a polygamist, the member of the pension fund. And then the other wife, Yena, who feels she's entitled to 50% of whatever the deceased owns, but agekho ku-nomination. What then happens? Ngoba lapho ke it means the nomination then will also challenge the authority of the marriage to the second wife.
Yeah. Iyenzeka le nto ithethayo uba umuntu abenabafazi babini iqhelekile.
Yeah.
But you put your case to the trustees. Thina sojonga inform sithi lo muntu akekho apha. You put your case to the trustees. And mainly into i-trustees ijonga isikakhulu into yoba ubuxhomekeke kulo tata uswelekileyo okanye bungaxhomekanga kuye. Then you put your case, they look at that, babona uba lo muntu nyani bexhomekeke kulo tata. And then after that they will decide differently. The chances are they will decide positively for you. Buxhomekeke kuye busitya yena ngokuswelekile ngoku.
Okay. All right. Asishiye lapho ke. Let's take another caller. Sina Sani kulapha ke Pitoli. Sawubona. Sakumole hleleni Sani. Sawubona.
Sawubona.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Khuluma nathi mama. What's on your mind?
Yeah, my question is regarding the former TBVC Employees Pensions Fund.
Okay.
Yeah. There are many people who have suffered because of this. My mom worked for 35 years for the public service as a teacher, but only received 17,000 rand from government. And we really tried a lot to go through the Mafikeng office, Rustenburg and whatever, with no positive outcome. At some stage, we were even told that a person who has received 6,000 rand, it's a lot. So they were.
When you say there's no positive outcome, what were they telling you? What were the responses?
In one of the attempts, it was the GEPF, we were told that because they were not contributing before amalgamation, then that is the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, but I wanted to say, in addition to that, there was an organization called Sefala Sabuputatswana, and that's where our parents were telling us that their funds were being deposited or safe, invested. But when we do follow-ups, we are told that 17,000 is enough. And the file has disappeared.
Okay. Wow. Sunny, thank you so much for your call. We do appreciate your time.
Okay, can I drop my call and listen?
All right. Please continue to tune in to SABC 1 because a GEPF employee is right here in studio to talk to some of those issues that you've just raised. Thank you so much for your call. Bukele asesiphinde sijikela ngasetitolo ungasanyakati siyabuya khona manje. Leli lungelo lakho. Welcome back. Khumbula ke mbukele sidingo tethu solo tivuliwe ukuthi ke nawe ungaba ingcenye enkulumo yethu namhla ungashare icingo khona manje right here and right now in studio ku 0117140671 noma ke 0117140672. You can also send us a WhatsApp to 060-844-9857. You can email your views, you can email your comments or even topic suggestions because nalo lelu hlelo lwakho to consumer@sabc.co.za or interact with us on our Facebook page. Now Baba Mda, before break besikhulumana ke naSani ke lapha ke uyakhala Sani ukuthi makwakhe lapha uthole ke imali enganga 17,000 after working for government as a teacher for 35 years. Ikhona into enjalo?
Isi ingxaki yokuqala yiloba long time ago abantu contribution was not compulsory. Contributing to GEP was not compulsory a long time ago. It was a choice. It was a choice. You could choose not to contribute or you could contribute. It was a choice. So the first thing you must establish whether a mother was a member of a pension fund that time. That's the first thing. So it's GEPF it in 96. So after 96, everybody, it was compulsory to everybody to be a pension member. So that's why
you also mentioned the amalgamation, which means Ongelma Pension Fund bawa integrated to GEPF.
That's correct. That's correct.
Lokshotsi labanye labanengi baqale ku contributor after the amalgamation.
Yes, correct. For GEPF, yeah, because it put us one at a pension fund of its own, the same as Venda, the same as any other independent states. But after the new dawn, so all of them were considered to GEPF.
Okay.
So members put us one, we contribute put us one. You're brought into GEPF with those number of years, the contribution yakho to GEPF. But if you contribute to the pension fund, account is this way yakho.
Look, all these other years, they will not take it into consideration.
No, we will not contribute. Remember, pension is like putting your money in the bank.
It's basically like savings.
Yeah, it's savings, yeah. So if you're not saving, nothing is going to come out.
Yeah, yeah.
Even if we spend that for so many years, nothing is going to come out.
Yo. Hi, siyamvela ke Sani lapha. Ingabe yini ke ama beneficiaries la ngakwenda to avoid non-payment noma ke avoid ama delays in the payment of lama benefits?
You know, nanlangothi abantu advice yami is that ye pension bakunike forms ese right, bacheck into zakho zonke, submit everything, bakucheckishe, everything is fine. Then if they've checked, the process yakhe ihamba clean. Ingxaki ebetha abantu ba usubmita le is incomplete angayisubmithe so bena up and down eninji and if vele waye branchini nje wachaza ingxaki yakho bakunika iform zonke bakuxela ba izana le documents uthi umka ebranchini uyazi bani uzophinda ubuya apha
okay
bayicheckisha into yakho uyayazi into ba iprocess yakho iya emalini qha ayizo akho up and downs. I always say abantu xa niba advisor xa ungazi vele branch bazokuxelela.
Yeah, yeah.
And the branches all over the country.
All over, yeah.
All over the country, yeah.
Ingabe nangabe uthola ke lawo ma benefits, maybe you've already traced the beneficiaries.
Yes.
And then they underwent all the processes ekuclaima and then utholakala ukuthi the deceased had so many debt. Uthola ukuthi owa SARS or so many people. What then happens? Does the unclaimed benefit pay the debt first before giving to the beneficiaries?
The only debt
noma ke beneficiary ingavele nje ithole directly from the fund.
The only debt estilishana inye ka SARS kuphela. Ezinye ingxaki yakho le. Ingxaki yoba eka SARS ibaleke because uSARS uvela ngafuna ukusinika i-tax masi deduct kuwe. Ungaqalanga waxelisha debt yakhe. Vele uqala ubhatla imali zami before zizobanika abantu how much must they deduct on your pension for their calculation.
Okay.
So unyenzeleke uba uvala ingxaki zakho ke awugqivala ingxaki sekunike imali yakho.
Okay. What are the turnaround times? Ema beneficiaries kumele ke ame isikhathi esinganani ukuze ukuthi le mali bayithole?
There are two. Let me just say, give you two. Generally, in terms of the JEP law, GEPF law, JEP law talks about 60 days for the claim to be processed until the final stages.
60 working days, no 60 calendar days?
60 calendar days.
Calendar days,
JEP
okay.
law says. But that's not the practice. If the documents are there all the time, we pay you within the same month. I-target is to say that, yes, abantu must umuntu urhole nge-15 ufuna imali before the 15th again. So you can't, awukwazi ukunika, azovela ngamna i-debit order zibhambe. So i-target into yoba sikunike imali every month, like before the date lebukade urhola ngayo. Ube urhola nge-month end, uretention nge-month end, then i-month end imali yakho funeka ibe kuwe. That's what we target.
Right.
Kodwa i-JEPLAW says to us, no, guys, you've got 60 days.
60 calendar days. Okay,
yeah,
noted. Mhlekazi, ingabe ikhona ke indlela yokuthi mine ngahamba ngiyohlola e-GEPF ukuthi am I a beneficiary? Just in case my father or my parent forgets.
You can go to JEPLAW offices, uzichaza uba ngubani mina, utatam kulo. But
do I need a permission here, member?
If you need a permission, member.
Oh, so I can't go behind his back near
Yeah,
office
because
lane.
Because remember, logo, are you a member when?
But I'm a beneficiary. What if I am a beneficiary?
Yeah, but then member logo le magqalele.
Okay.
Member iqalele.
Right.
Right.
So what information then do I give to you to check whether I'm a beneficiary or not?
Then is it particulars ka tata, nezakho.
So now kunanga permission, what kind of, like in what form should the permission be? Phone call or incwadi or just my documents akhe?
I think if I ngatsho, it's more appropriate but uze naye.
Okay.
It's more uze naye.
Right. And then akhona inema campaigns that GEPF is running to raise awareness about unclaimed benefits so that bantu noma ngabe bebangadi bathi let me go check. I'm not sure whether I'm a beneficiary or not, but let me just check because I've seen or I've heard a campaign on radio, I've seen a campaign on TV.
No, we do a lot of campaigns, definitely. A lot of campaigns. Sekapa the weekend, Sekapa the whole weekend, actual fact, including the weekend. Apa sibize wonke umuntu or member e-GEPF sozokazi basibanike products, bathengisele i-product, sibacikisele nge-product, umuntu azozijonga imeko yakhe. Okay. Beneficiaries zam zi-5, are they still 5? Are there no changes? Benefit statement, ufuna usijonga simnike benefit statement to see uba imeko yam ngemali ye-pension ithini. If I die tomorrow, what will happen to abantwana bazofumana malini na? When I retire, ndizofumana malini na? Yonke lo information uyazi ngoku saphila.
Okay.
Siyenza all over the country. Each and every month, most of the time, some months, twice a month, Suki province, siyajikeleza nje right through. Siyajikeleza.
So what if family beneficiaries, they permanently relocate, they leave the country after maybe the death of the member of the GP, of the pension fund, and then they take whatever they take, and then they are untraceable. Labo ke vele singasho ukuthi vele kulukhuni kubatfola lapho. So and then the benefits go unclaimed forever. What then happens to those funds?
We get people
even out of the country?
As far as Australia, as far as New Zealand. We get people as far as USA. It's communicating nabantu abakude abangakho lapha South Africa.
Okay.
Some are in Zimbabwe, some are in Nigeria.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all over the world.
Okay.
Yeah,
You don't stop until you find them?
No, we don't stop until we find
you. You don't abort the process of tracing them?
Until we find you. We don't stop.
That's a lot of work.
We don't stop until we find you.
So let's maybe get some update on how much of these claims have been paid since the beginning of the current financial year.
We're sitting at in March, we're sitting at close to 700 million rand in March. Close to 700 million rand.
So, that's a patelo.
To the balance.
Oh, balance. Okay.
We're sitting at close to 700 million rand in March. Balance. You're just close to them. Now we below 600 million rand now as we speak. We just in the 500, late 500 as we speak. So we've reduced more than 100 million rand, more than 150 million rand definitely as we speak.
Okay, lapho ke sesikhulumela the unpaid benefits.
Yeah, the unclaimed benefits.
Okay, then yeah, go unclaimed ke ibalance ithini khona?
The unclaimed benthanda ngayo.
Oh, okay, unclaimed leyo.
Yeah,
okay, then the unpaid?
The unpaid we're 500 in March. We run about 300 now. So we've reduced in the region of 200.
Okay.
We're unpaid. We're unpaid.
Right, right. All right, let's take another caller. Sina Jomo kwelapha eMpumalanga. Sakumole endleleni sawubona.
Minjani bhuti wami?
Siphilile kunjani baba?
Ya, ngiyaphila kakhulu.
Khuluma nami baba.
Ya, lana ngithola kubuta ukuthi if mawushadele umuntu lolforeign mhlawumbe useshadile eMozambique yabo.
Angeva kahle ukuthi nangabe ushade umuntu lol-foreigner.
Ya, ngishadele umuntu lolforeign ye.
Aha.
But useka abe ne-document mhlawumbe abe ne-citizenship yana South Africa.
Okay.
And then ukuthi naselidivorce uyakhona i-claim ngoba i-ID yayo nayo maka kubendakalani njalo.
Okay, Jomo from Mpumalanga, great question. Sabonga kakhulu ke ukukhuluma nathi baba. Thank you so much for your call. Jomo ke Mpumalanga. Continue watching SABC1 ilungelo lakho ke sitawuzama ukuyidzinga le ndzaba yakho emva kwaleli khefu. Mbukeli, sithathe le khefu lethu lekugcina ngci. Do join us after this break. Welcome to our very final segment. Siyaqhubeka futhi nenzaba yethu namhla. Baba Mda, over like before ibreak besina Jomo kulapha eMpumalanga. Hey, ukhuluma indzaba mlonyeni lapha ukuthi nangabe ushada nemuntu longasiwa la noma ke a foreign national and then ke bese ba divorce ke is that particular spouse entitled to pension yam?
Yeah, just before ndikuphendula lapho man vele ndicacise into nje ndikhe ndayicisa ukuhle.
Yeah.
Yazi ba as EPF funa siqinisekise into yoba information yakho is kept privately and secretly for yourself. So
Okay.
If you beneficiary ufuna uyojonga, you can't asinakunika because all your member must. Asinakwazi ukunika. We can only give that information to members.
Members only.
You must go with a member.
But ke bowuchazile ke phambilini ukuthi ungayitfola i-permission ye-member yekuthi mina ngihambe ngiyochecka ukuthi ngi-beneficiary. Still logo it doesn't apply.
Kuzoba nzima kuba
So vele i-member kumele abe khona in person.
Abe khona member. But le permission asiyazi noba is it legitimate or not.
Okay, okay.
Funeka member remember information esinayo ye-member. You must imagine uba ngoku uba wonke umuntu uzawufika azozibuza izavele uzibhaqisa ziba ngumuntu wonke uzaxabanisa
Kakhulu.
Okay, masiza apha kunansike kulo bhuti
waseMpumalanga. Yes.
I-divorce payment zilawulwa i-divorce settlement. If when you divorce, i-divorce settlement it nika lo imbize ngegama 20%, nika lo i-30%, sizakwenza lonto.
Okay. So citizenship doesn't count.
Asijonga ubuyaphi. If i-court akhange ijonge lonto leyo, thina asinokwazi ukuphikisana ne-court, sinokwazi. Yeah, sikunika according to divorce settlement. Divorce settlement ichaza into yoba i-pensions zakho e-GEPF low entitled to 10%, low to 90%. Sakwenza njalo nto kuphela.
And then, mina as a beneficiary, maybe there's just family disputes. Utfola ukuthi ke i-nomination, i-member nominated certain people or certain beneficiaries who are children, who I would call irresponsible. And then the responsible ones, bona ke, they were not part of the nomination forms. Can I then approach EGEPF, kuti no man, sicela a portion of whatever has been or whatever they're entitled to, so that we can just take care of their home?
You can approach i-GEPF uchaza uba utata kanishiyela ngamali mna apha kodwa ndingumntana wakhe ndicela nindifake kule nomination form. Utata uswelekile mos. I-GEPF will look at the circumstances, you know. Remember bendithe kuqala ezinto zoba butya yena ziyakhawunta positively. We'll look at the situation and the trustees will decide.
Okay.
Will decide. Sibuthi xa ungekho nomination form will give up. Balileta ukhalaza ku-GEPF, they look and support your story.
Yes,
they look at your story and decide.
Okay.
What you will do.
Then how then can they determine the legitimacy of that nomination form? Ngoba asisike ku-will vele for the will to be valid kumele kube nema-witnesses. So ku-nomination form, is it the same process?
Remember nomination form bisenziwa nguwe. You went to GEPF yourself, usaphila. And you submit it yourself.
No, ngisho mina ke nangabe uthola ukuthi mina I'm not a beneficiary
Yes.
kule nomination form. Then ngasho ukuthi le nomination form lena I wrong, I see or I fake. So is there a way of determining the validity or the legitimacy of the nomination form?
There will be investigation, definitely.
Okay.
There will be investigation, definitely. Well, as I'm saying, in nomination form, benziwe nguwe uyisayinile and sibonile. We believe, but the time we submit, it's illegitimate. But there will be investigation.
Okay.
If they contest, there will be investigation, definitely, and the report will be out so that the trustees will decide whether
Okay.
they must do something about it.
All right, Baba Mda, thank you so much for joining us. And before we go, did nombolo ke GEPF like kumele ngitishayele khona ku-check ukuthi ke are there any unclaimed benefits?
Try call center here to 0800
0800
117
117
669.
669.
Yeah. Other than that, you can go to GBF website and go to unclaimed benefits. The individual telephone numbers for all our tracers are there.
Okay.
If you're sitting in Toronto, there's a tracer there. Her telephone number is there. You can just phone it directly. on unclaimed.
Great stuff. Baba, siyabonga kakhulu ukuhlangana nasi. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi ke mbukeli, sesifika kanjalo emaphethelweni ehlelo lethu namhla ke. Let me thank our studio guest for his time. Ngithazabonga kanye nani babukele ngekuba nathi kuze kube ngimanje. Asihlangane futhi ngesikhathi lesitako lapho ke kumahamba phambili SABC1 Mzansi for sure na ku SABC Plus lapho ke standlethela ke lenye indzaba letawutsinza wena nemalungelo akho njengemthengi. From Miss Mphiwe Ngongwane and the rest of the team, nitsale kahle. Do have a great week ahead. Cheers.